愛してるより愛してることを伝える言葉
Well, hello there, Mom Terry here, and I'm going to make another 1-minute meal or close to it. The reason why I call them 1 minute is it's only a heat and eat. So, do you have those instant packets of spaghetti, the ones that are pre-cooked? I used to get them for about $1 a piece. Now I can get them for $2 for $3. But I'm going to have, what are these? These are, wait a minute. Shirataki noodles. These are low carb. These are miracle noodles. This is expensive. This was over at Walmart for $4. I know, 2 servings in here, but I think it has 5 calories and 1 carbohydrate. So basically, get yourself some pre-done spaghetti. I'm gonna have roasted garlic parmesan and my favorite, shaved 14-month aged Parmesan cheese on top. It's going to be delicious. It's going to be quick and easy. If you have the instant spaghetti, that's great. This I have to drain, and then what I have to do is I have to brown it in a fry pan. So the instant spaghetti is such a better deal. Why am I doing these types of videos? Because I want you to know that if you're living in a car, I used to watch Pam on the Lamb all the time, and she would cook. She had an induction stove. Yeah, an induction stove. I didn't like induction. I could use induction here. I have a big enough battery, but no. So, but you know, you want to eat healthy. Food prices are going up. You know, restaurant prices. What did I show you the other day? $18 for a hamburger and fries? That's crazy talk. But I want to have a nice little gourmet meal right in my van. Oh, by the way, do not cook in your vehicle. It's not safe. I gotta say that. And the smoke detector is already up front. All right, one thing I forgot to bring is a strainer, and this is the only thing I need to strain, so I'm going to show you how I do it. This is my Cedar Summit, and it collapses down into nothing. That's what I use for all my soups, and right here it has holes, so I'm going to see if I can get the noodles to sit here and drain down there. There's a first for everything, and you know me, simplify, simplify, simplify. All right, so this is why you have to drain. It is in liquid, and that's not a lot of noodles for $4, is it? No, it's not. But this is what it looks like right out of the package. All right, that looks pretty good, and my little draining system is working. I decided to change it around a little bit. I'm on a tilt right now, so I had to shim up my little cookie sheet. But this is how I cook, with 2 little cookie sheets, one where the stove will be, and one for all the meal prep. So it's draining, yay! Oh, by the way, that's Lucy's food right there, chicken breast and some brown rice. So as you can see, it's draining really well. So, you know, you gotta simplify, simplify, simplify. So I'll let you read the bag if you're interested. Very low calorie, low fat, low carbohydrate, low everything. No sodium even, wow. We're going to be adding sodium with the Parmesan cheese, and there's the cooking instructions. Here is a good picture of the bag. All right, so far I'm not disappointed at all. I mean, except for the price. So what I'm going to do is pour my noodles into here, and I'm not sure whether I need my spatula or my other thing, so I'll get that out too. So that sounds nice. So I got these out so I can just flip it around. It says this is how you do it, and I think it said cook for 2 to 3 minutes. So interesting. All right, so basically what I'm doing is I'm just getting these to dry a little bit more. So it sounds like it's working. I don't know how it'll taste, right? And then what I'll do is I'll take out half and add my sauce and my cheese to this. Even though I'd rather use my fry pan, I don't have enough space for 2 fry pans, so there we go. Sizzle, sizzle, sizzle. All right, it looks pretty dry, so what I'm going to do is take out half and let that half cool and put that in the fridge for tomorrow. That's not really a lot, but I think that's half, so yeah, okay. Well, you can always throw that in a soup if I make soup tomorrow, but I think I want the Alfredo sauce, yum. All right, this roasted garlic sauce is delicious, so I'm going to heat it up. All right, so most of the cheese I put on the bottom to melt it, and that's that, oh, delicious 14-month aged Parmesan cheese on top. All right, so the question is, and I'm sorry about the lighting, does it taste like a noodle? Not really, but boy, with all these cheeses in it, this is a darn good lunch. So pretend it's not spaghetti, okay? But it is delicious, so go for it. All right, so I just finished eating these ready-to-eat noodles. All right, so they were $4 at Walmart. Is it worth $4? I don't know, because what's $4 worth anymore? Were these $2 last year? It was good. If you're jonesing for a big old plate of spaghetti, it's not spaghetti, but it's the closest thing I ever found to spaghetti. So I would recommend it, but I would really recommend the cheese that I put with it and the garlic sauce with that. It really stuck to the noodles well. So it's up to you guys, but I enjoyed it. Bye.